Right, we've got a job on today. Ben Oliver's cleaning the golf buggy. He suggested putting the golf buggy on the grass. Right. He suggested putting the golf buggy on the grass. Give the grass a bit of a water into the bargain. Mind you, we did have a torrential storm last night, so you shouldn't need it, but there you go. Whoa, here we go. Quite a nice day here, 18th of July 2018. There's Ted's house over there. And once Ben Oliver's cleaned that buggy, we will head off in that direction. We're going to drive to the supermarket. We're going to go to the Piggly Wiggly to get a few supplies. Speak to y'all later. Bye y'all.